How to lock the iPhone touchscreen in case you want to give your iPhone to someone and you don't want that fellow to see the particular apps on your device. Then you can as well lock the screen of your iPhone. Then go to the settings button and tap on it. Scroll up and tap on accessibility. Then under accessibility, locate and tap on guided access. Tap on it. Now tap on to turn it on. Once you've turned it on like this, then go ahead and tap on passcode settings. Then tap on set guided access passcode. Now provide your passcode into this place. Then repeat the passcode again to set your passcode. Now close this place. Now, for example, let's open a particular app on our device like this one. So you want to keep this particular screen for that fellow. Just triple tap the power button or the home button here. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see that the guided access is the touch screen has been activated. You cannot quit, you cannot do anything except the app you open for that fellow. Now to disable this and access your screen again, triple tap the power button or the home screen button again. Then provide the password you entered. Now you can see tap on end. So you see that guided access has been disabled. Now you can do and use your phone screen again. So this is a simple process, guys, on how to lock the iPhone screen on your iPhone. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.